YouTube? This Kersey here with another Guud Lyfe Smoothies video for you. That previous video was definitely winning itself here. I have the 12,000 watt generator and also the new framing that will house this generator. Currently right now I'm going to seal up all the little gaps here, and right now we have the 3/4 inch padding that this generator will sit on, and also I have accousta-blok, which is like a noise barrier, and it'll be applied to all major surfaces here. Currently right now there's padding in those little gaps for reduction, and so I'll be applying all the accousta-blok on the top, back, and also the top portion, also the right side, also the back side here as well, and then actually in the front I'll have the accousta-blok vapor barrier on there as well. Just trying to cut the noise reduction down to a minimum. This is a more powerful generator. I was told that could possibly run a household. Just focus in here. But I'm just going to be trying to fill in these gaps here with that padding. And this is just pretty much the view from outside looking in. So the generator is going to apply from here to there, and it'll just sit in there comfortably. And I also have to anchor it in and maintenance it. Maintenance will definitely suck if I ever have to pull it out to change the oil or the filter out the gas. But everything has it's pretty much secure in here. I'll follow up with some sealant, and as of right now, this is scope of work I have cut out for me today. So until then, I want you guys to enjoy that good while I'm busting this workout. This is Kersey signing off. Peace.